Hello students, in this video I will explain the methods of preparation of haloalkanes. See, we can prepare haloalkanes from alkanes. This is a free radical halogenation. We know what is halogenation. Addition of halogens is known as halogenation. So here I have taken the example of methane. 4 steps are there. First, one hydrogen will be replaced by one chlorine to form monochloromethane in presence of UV light. Second, the monochloromethane again react with Cl2 to form CH2Cl2 dichloromethane. From dichloromethane we will get chloroform or trichloromethane, and from trichloromethane we will get carbon tetrachloride or tetrachloromethane. So if we are having this type of compound CH3CH2CH3 propane, in the presence of UV light, if we add chlorine, we will get, there is a probability to get two types of haloalkanes, CH3CH2CH2Cl and CH3CHCl CH3. You can see they are position isomerism. One chlorine is for the first one, chlorine is attached to the first carbon, and for the second one, chlorine is attached to the second carbon. And the product yield will be 45% for this one and 55% for this one. But if we are having a tertiary carbon, here this is a tertiary carbon because this carbon is attached to 3 different carbons. So if we are taking tertiary carbon, so we will get just one type of haloalkane. See, CH3C, CH2Cl, CH3. The name will be 1-chloro-2,2-dimethyl propane. From alkenes also we can prepare haloalkanes by electrophilic addition reaction. You can see C double bond C, HX. HX is a halogen acid. X may be chlorine, bromine, fluorine, iodine, etc. The product will be CH and CX. So CH2 double bond CH2, this is ethene plus HX, CH3 CH2X. So for the priority range, HI will be more stronger than HBr and than HCl. What will be the mechanism of the reaction? You see, this double bond is breaking and this carbon is taking the electrons from this double bond, and so this carbon will be -1 and this carbon will be +1. So positive carbon atom is known as carbocation, where HX dissociating as H plus and X minus. This carbon anion, this carbon is having negative charge, it will attract this H plus to form CH3, and this C will remain positive. So this is the carbocation, and this step is slowest one, and slowest step is always rate determining step. We can determine the rate from a slow step reaction. Now second one, this carbocation will attach to this X minus. X minus is known as electrophile, and here the product will be CH2X and CH3. In symmetrical alkenes, only one addition product will be there. See, CH3CH double bond CH, CH3 plus HBr. Br is attaching in the second carbon. The name will be 2-bromobutane. But in unsymmetrical alkenes, there is a probability to get two types of haloalkenes. CH3CH double bond CH2 propene plus HBr. We are getting this product 90% and this one is 10%. The name of this product is 2-bromopropane and name of this product is 1-bromopropane. Now this is known as Markovnikov's rules. According to Markovnikov's rule, the bromine, the halogen, will attach to that carbon where we are having a less number of hydrogen. So here CH, the second carbon, is having less number of hydrogen atom, so Br is attaching with this carbon. This is known as Markovnikov's rule. Another rule is there, that is anti-Markovnikov's rule, which is occurred with the presence of peroxide. That's why it is known as peroxide effect. It is known as Kharas effect also. Here CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2 propene plus HBr ROOR. This is organic peroxide. In presence of organic peroxide, instead of forming 2 bromopropane, it will form 1 bromopropane. So students, you can see if we are taking HBr, only HBr, the product will be 2 bromopropane. But if we are taking HBr in presence of peroxide, the product will be 1 bromopropane. The previous one is known as Markovnikov rule, and in the presence of peroxide, it is known as anti-Markovnikov rules or Kara's effect. From alcohol also we can prepare haloalkene, C2H5OH plus PCl5, C2H5Cl, and the byproduct will be PoCl3 and HCl. With thionyl chloride, SoCl2, if we add thionyl chloride with the alcohol in presence of pyridine, we will get SO2 plus HCl plus RCl. That we have taken the ethyl alcohol C2H5OH plus SoCl2. In presence of pyridine, it will form SO2 and HCl plus C2H5Cl. This process is known as Darjan's process also, and this is more applicable process because this is more useful one, because here as byproduct we are getting sulfur dioxide and HCl, and both are in gaseous state, so easily they can escape out. Now from halogen acid, ROH, HX, RX plus H2O. Here it is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. X minus is the nucleophile. See here for the priority level we can write HI greater than HBr greater than HCl, as it is a substitution reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Tertiary carbocation is more stable than the secondary than the first primary alcohol, so the reaction will be more feasible for the tertiary than secondary than primary. Next day I will discuss the physical and chemical properties of haloalkanes. Thank you.